Oh, what do you do with two toys? Double the pleasure, double the fun. Ha ha!
Oh, so many, so many.
Miss Pat, this is Biz, huh?
Yes, it is. And I think it's a great name for him. He's a little busy.
He's busy.
He is a busy Biz.
He's just a puppy.
Yes, he is. He is a Great Dane mix, folks. They guesstimate him at about 4 months. He is 18 pounds right now, but I think you're going to be looking at a bigger guy once he starts to grow into those paws.
Yeah. Yeah, look at those paws.
He is just the cutest little guy.
He's just adorable. Oh, look at him prance. He kind of prances with his toys.
He's got a prize.
Uh-huh. Loves those toys. Oh, man.
He is just a friendly little guy. He's just a puppy, full of piss and vinegar, as my dad would say.
Full of puppitude.
Puppitude. He's got puppitude.
I love his, his old prance.
Yeah,
what else
that's
could you
his
call it? That's his thing.
Look at that, man. He's won the prize.
Yeah. But he's been very quiet when he's been out here. And
yes, he has, Ed. And he was in the kennel, and surprisingly, he didn't go bonkers when he got out here in the yard and got some freedom and smells.
So you do have to remember that even though he's a puppy, he's going to grow up to be a big dog. So you need to be prepared for that.
Yeah, you check his paws out. They're kind of big.
Yeah, they're pretty big. With white socks.
Yep.
Yep.
White socks, and he is a cutie patootie.
He is totally cute and alert. He's looking at other dogs over there this morning.
There's two other dogs over in the other yards, and he's not barking and going crazy about them, which is good. But he knows they're there.
He's a good age to start training here.
Oh, yes. Come here, baby.
So you can train him up to be the dog you want him to be.
He takes the
treats gently. He just seems like a gentle little guy.
Yes, he does.
He's a little sweetheart.
Come on, sit. Sit. Good boy.
Whoa, look at there.
Boy.
Look at there.
Yes.
Good boy.
Come on, it's right over here, silly.
Oh, please come see him. Please come see Biz at Nassau County Animal Services in Yulee, Florida. State Road 200 behind the AutoZone store. He's a little old bundle of love. Going to be a great big bundle of love.
Yep.
And he's going to be your bundle of love. So please come see Biz.